Hey y'all, long time no see. Y'all haven't seen me the whole month of June. I don't even think I posted. Well, I posted our cruise vlogs, but that's all y'all got from me other than like the shorts I've been putting on here. I told y'all like a few vlogs ago that I was going to be doing like more shorts than like long form vlogs on here. But I will be like popping in every now and then. So hey girl, hey. So I'm about to do my makeup. I'm getting ready to film a Shein haul for y'all, like a Shein summer haul. I had ordered a bunch of clothes for like me and Trinity. We have a trip coming up. Yes girl, we're leaving back out of here again. We have another trip coming up, so I ordered some clothes from Shein for me and Trinity. Bae is not really like an online shopping person, so we're gonna go like in person to get his clothes that will like correlate with what me and Trinity has. So yeah, I'm going to be doing like a little haul with y'all. It's gonna be a separate video from this one. So yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I'm gonna start with my brows per usual. I always start with my eyebrows. So yeah girl, we are getting ready to go on another trip. I'm not gonna tell y'all where we're going until we get there though. So can y'all guess where we're going? I'll give y'all like a little hint. It's outside of the United States. It's about a 4-hour flight from Atlanta. That's it. That's all I can give y'all. That's all I can give y'all. So we'll be leaving out of here in 2 weeks. Of course, we have the 4th coming up this Friday, so I don't think we'll be doing like any trip prepping this week. And I still got to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair because I only have this weekend and then the weekend before we leave. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. I think I wanna do a wig, but I know it's gonna be hot, so the glue may not stick as I think it will. So I don't know. We'll have to see what I end up doing with my hair. I wanted to do braids, but I'm just sick and tired of braids, y'all. Like I need, I got Trinity in the back. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do braids this go round. I wanna do like some bundles or maybe like a wig or maybe some crochet, but I don't want to do braids this trip, so I don't know, we'll figure out something. I was looking at wigs last night that I was interested in probably ordering, so, and I don't want to feel like packing a whole bunch of hair tools either, which was making me kind of go more of like the crochet way, like do like some crochet faux locks or something like that. But I said I'm not getting braids. I'm not getting braids. I don't want to do twist. I either want crochet like faux locks or I want a wig or some bundles. So yeah y'all, we're getting ready to head up out of here again. We actually planned this trip last year. Like we had booked everything last year. So and it's really me and Bae's anniversary, but we wanted to bring Trinity this time. So just to get her, you know, out of the country some more, even though she went on 2 cruises, we wanted to bring her on this trip too. So yeah, I'm really excited. This trip, we've been waiting on this trip. And we had planned this trip last year and we're just super excited that it's finally almost time. I actually was hoping that my Shein clothes would have came on time because I've ordered them like, the end of last week, like 2 weeks ago, the end of 2 weeks ago, I ordered them. And it told me it wouldn't be here until like July like 13th, but they ended up coming super early, which I'm glad about. And I was also worried about like with all the tariff stuff going on, I was just uncertain about, you know, if anything would happen. So yeah, it was just a lot of worry in those clothes, but I'm glad they're finally here. I can give y'all a little haul on what I got me and Trinity. I got her some stuff. I got her some shoes, some clothes. I got me like some clothes, some shoes, and a bag. I got me a little bag. I wanted a white purse. And, you know, I said, I'm gonna just, you know, save my coins. Let me just get a little bag off Shein, a little white bag. So that's what I ended up getting off Shein. And then I got like some clothes and shoes. So yeah, I'm excited to show y'all those. And like I said, we're gonna probably go out. I don't know when. I need to do it as soon as possible. My mama is gonna be keeping Trinity all next week. So I want to try to probably use that time to go shopping for the things that we may need for the trip. And we will be flying, so it'll be like a 4-hour flight. So, and I want to make sure I just have everything, you know, diapers. I may just go to Sam's and just get another big box of diapers. And we are going to be bringing all 3 of our suitcases. So I know I told y'all in the last cruise I only packed 2 suitcases. So me and Bae just brought our suitcases. We put Trinity's clothes inside of my suitcase and diapers and wipes inside of his suitcase. We're not going to do that this time just because we will be gone for a certain amount of days. So I want to make sure I have enough diapers, wipes, so I would feel more comfortable bringing her suitcase to put that stuff in, you know. And then of course her bottles. I may need to pack her some juice, but where we're staying at is an all-inclusive, so I'm gonna call the hotel just to make sure that they like have juices and like milk for her that I can, so I don't have to worry about packing our own. So yeah, I'm going to check in with them just to make sure that we'll be good on that, as well as like the water situation there. So where we're going, the water is not, like the tap water is not very great. So I want to make sure, what's wrong, man? Oh wait, these are my groceries, y'all. I did an Instacart order. Yeah, I did an Instacart order for like some waters and stuff. So I think that's them coming through the gate now. Let me double check. I just opened it, so whoever rung it just got through. But let me see. Let me see where the Instacart order is at. Oh, heading to you now, arriving now. So yeah, that's them. They're already here. So, did I say I was going to meet them at the door? Did I say I was going to meet them at the door? I don't remember. If they ring the doorbell, then I'll go down. But I'm gonna just stay right here and finish doing my makeup. And I got my window open right here so I can see. But what were we talking about? Yeah, the water situation there. So apparently the water where we're going is not that good, so like the tap water and stuff. So I'm going to try to see if we can get water like in the rooms, so that way we can brush our teeth with that. I can wash her bottles with that because of course we're bringing her sippy cups, and I'm gonna need like water to clean her sippy cups with. So I want to make sure we have enough water, and we're not able to use, and I don't want us to use the tap water other than, you know, taking showers and baths and stuff. So yeah, that's something else that I need to look into. But I'm gonna probably call the hotel probably before the end of the week, just so I can ask all my questions to make sure that we're good to go. When we come back from this trip, we're gonna be getting ready to look for places to move to. Me and my husband has decided that we no longer want to stay here. So we're renting where we're at right now. We were looking into buying, but we said we're just gonna hold off on that right now, you know, just to wait a little bit longer, and then we'll look into buying. But we will be getting ready to look. Trying to see where they are. Looks like they parked in the back of the garage. I hope they don't put my stuff out there by the garage. But yeah, we're looking to move in the next year. We're looking to move, so that's what we're going to be focusing on. This will be our last trip for a minute. So yeah, we're going to be looking to move. I really want to move somewhere else, like get out of the area we're in now. If some of y'all don't know, we stay in Lawrenceville, so it's a little bit outside of Atlanta, but I want to kind of move closer to the Atlanta area. Sorry y'all, I had to grab my charger. But what were we talking about? Yeah, so we're gonna be getting ready to move closer downtown Atlanta. The people are just getting to the front, so I guess they went to my garage and decided just to bring it to the front. So yeah, I want to move closer to the downtown area, because, you know, we like to go down there a lot, you know, to like attend like festivals and stuff. And I just feel like it would be so much more convenient if we stayed closer. So that's what I talked to my husband about, and he is in agreement with me. So, and of course I can bring y'all more content too, so I just want to be closer. So that's what we're going to be looking into, is staying closer to downtown. Let me put on some concealer up under my eyes, y'all, because my eyes look super tired. Let grab a napkin. Thank you. She dumped out all of my socks out of my bin and she's putting them back. Okay, so they just delivered my items. Let me check my camera outside my door. Yeah, my eyes look super dark. So I'm gonna put on some concealer to like brighten it up a bit. And I'm gonna put some on my forehead as well. And that's my chin. I need to stock up on my makeup. I'll probably do that when we come back from our trip. Because I need to get more brushes. I just need to go through my makeup right here and just do like a whole new thing. Like some of this makeup I have had for years and haven't even touched it. I had some makeup from companies had sent me makeup to like do videos on, and I just never used them after I've done the video on them. Like this Lancome foundation I had to do a video on. I've used this one a little bit though, but I haven't used it. It's this Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer. I haven't even used it yet. You got the full bottle still right here. Maybe I'll try it out to see. Like it's untouched. Maybe I'll try it out to see if I like it, and then like I don't even know what to do with this makeup that, you know, I have that I haven't even used yet. Let me finish this under eye, y'all, because like my eye looks like I just look tired. So I don't know if I'm going to film the video while Trin is still up, because she be getting into everything now, y'all. Or I may wait until her nap time in about an hour. I'm putting on this Sephora powder. It's my favorite. I want to try the Huda Beauty one though, because I've heard good things about that one. So I may look into getting that one when I go shopping for more makeup. This one does just great. I just lay it like where I lay my concealer at. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna do some eyelashes. So yeah, y'all, this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm about to go down and get my groceries. Do I want to do anything for my lips? Right now I have this Dior lip oil on my lips, and I'll probably just reapply this. So maybe I'll put on this Juvia's Place eyeshadow. I got this from Ulta Beauty a few months ago, well, a few years ago. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I did use this Fenty Beauty highlight, the Trophy Wife one. I used that for my nose, and then for blush, I don't know if y'all can see that I got on blush, but I used the Juvia's Place Marigold blush. I love Juvia's Place. Alright, y'all, so here are my groceries. I don't know what that is. I'll bake them out and look at it and see if it came from anything. I thought it was one of the strings for my chairs, but it's not the same color, so it can't be that. But we'll figure it out. But let's bring this inside. Just lay it right here so I can grab the waters. So y'all, this is the aftermath of me filming. I tried on all the clothes I got from Shein. It was just a few. And then my daughter has some as well, but don't mind the bed. I'm also washing our bed sheets right now. But yep, I threw my pajamas right back on. So yeah, Trinity's taking a nap right now. I'm about to go ahead and get ready to start on dinner, because dinner is going to be pretty lengthy today. I'm going to be making some chicken, some what else, y'all? Chicken, mashed potatoes, and some cabbage. So I gotta go cut the cabbage. I gotta wash that. I need to cut the potatoes. I need to boil those. I need to cook the chicken, wash the chicken, everything, y'all. So we gotta get started. Trinity's taking a nap right now, so hopefully I can get a good bit done before she wakes up. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some of this stuff up first. Probably put on the first layer of my bed sheets. Y'all, she likes to help me get the dishes out. Hold on, let mama grab the silverware. Hold on, let mama grab that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat when I'm swimming. It took me some time, but now I'm done. Cause I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Alright y'all, so I just got done cooking everything. I made Trinity some squash on the side instead of her eating cabbage. So I got her some squash, some mashed potatoes, some cornbread, and some shredded chicken. And I'm gonna just give her a little spoon. There you go.
After all the rain, you see the sun come out again.